I'm very interested in working together with animal shelters. So we're looking at improving adoption rates, reducing relinquishment rates, reducing euthanasia rates. And so all of those are done by bringing the community together, and we're looking at programs to improve adoption through changing the behavior of both dogs and also adopters. We found inside the kennel that it was very important for people that the dogs were facing forward. We identified that simply by ringing a bell and pairing that bell with food, and then a potential adopter could come through the shelter with some kind of auditory stimulus like a bell, all the dogs would orient towards this bell. Unfortunately, a lot of the times when people are going into the shelter, they really are not looking at behavior as much. They really are looking at what the dog looks like. So what breed is it? Is it a puppy? Is it a small dog, large dog? And so there, we don't have a whole lot of flexibility of manipulating human behavior when they're looking at those dogs. A typical scenario where a potential adopter might take a look at all these dogs, pick out a couple that they like, and then take them out into a different room for further inspection. And there, behavior matters a lot. So we found from our observational studies that there are only two behaviors that impact the likelihood of subsequent adoption during those out-of-kennel interactions. And those are laying down in proximity next to the potential adopter. That's a very good behavior. The bad behavior, though, is ignoring a play initiation by the potential adopter. Instead of dog training, we simply ask the dog, using a preference assessment, which toy do they like personally. And after we have this information, then we use this toy to structure the interaction between the potential adopter. We tell the adopter, this is a really great toy, this dog really likes this toy, go ahead and play. We are working very actively with Lubbock Animal Shelter in a different project that's ongoing now. And this project, we're looking at the effects of temperament and stress on immune function. So can we predict who's going to get sick and who's not in the animal shelter? And this is very important for dog welfare. And so if we can predict who needs extra help, who needs to be placed in quarantine, or who needs medications at an earlier stage than others, this is going to be very helpful for shelters.